So, hello guys. So, the topic today is about rate of change involving na dito yung mga worded problem. Gets guys? So, dito guys, using the differentiation. So, this topic is under to the differential calculus. So, dito guys, kumbaga merong given na shape na kung saan dito is i-differentiation mo yung kanyang formula into the given area man yan or radius, kahit ano guys. So may mga given natin dito is circle, then mga cone, and then mga cylinder. Yun yung mga given natin dito sa gagawin nating video lesson. Gets guys? Para mas lalo nyo maintindihan, let's proceed for the first problem. Let's go! So game, find the rate of change of the circumference of a circle, then the circumference as the increases as the radius increases. What is the formula for the circumference of the circle? Is equals to C of 2 pi r. Diba guys? Gets? Then the C plus the delta C is equals to 2 pi r plus the delta r. The r is increases, so yun yung ide-delta natin. Then the circumference si binanggit, then siya yung ide-delta natin guys. Gets? So delta C is equals to 2 pi r plus 2 pi delta r. Then transpose the letter C, then the value of C is what? 2 pi r guys. Ito yung value ng C, diba? Pinalitan ko lang. So this will be cancel. Ang natira is delta C of 2 pi delta r. Divide both sides by what? Delta r. Delta C over the delta r is equals to 2 pi delta r over the delta r. This will be cancel. Ang natira is what? 2 pi. So next is the derivative of a C and then with respect to r, then the limit of delta r approaches to 0 of 2 pi. So wala naman delta r sa dito. So the answer will remain as 2 pi. Gets? So, the next problem is find how fast the volume of a right circular cylinder increases as the radius increases. So, cylinder for the volume. The volume is pi r squared h guys. Then the V of delta V is equals to pi r plus the delta r of h guys. Gets? So, the V of delta V is equals to pi expand. Expand natin siya guys. X squared. Then 2r of delta r plus the delta r squared and h. So transpose the letter V, so magiging negative sign. Pi, then multiply the pi and h, so magkasama na sila. R squared plus 2r of delta r plus the delta r squared minus the V. So the V yung tinranspose natin guys. So what is the value of V? V is pi r squared h. Ito yun. Gets? So delta V is equals to, distribute isa-isa guys. So plus 2 pi h r delta r plus pi h of delta r squared. Gets? So minus the pi r squared h. This will be cancel. Then natira is delta V of 2 pi h r of delta r plus the pi h of delta r squared. Gets? Then divide both sides by what? The delta r. So after nyo mag-divide both sides by the delta r, ang mangyayari nyan is delta r of 2 pi hr of delta r plus pi h of delta r squared over the delta r. Then factor out the delta r guys. Factor out natin delta r nyan guys. So the delta v of the delta r is equals to delta r ang nasa labas 2 pi h plus pi delta r. Factor out the delta r guys sa numerator. Gets guys? So this will be equals to what? Delta r. So cancel ang matitira is 2 pi hr plus the pi of delta r. Then the derivative of v with respect to r, that's the limit of delta r approaches to 0. Lahat ng delta r palta ng 0. So 2 pi hr plus pi and the delta r is equals to 0. So natira is 2 pi hr. So this will be our answer. Gets? So the next problem is find how fast the surface area of a cube increases daw yung sides. So the area is equals to what? 6a squared. Gets guys? Or 6a squared pwede din gawing s any variable guys. So, next natin gagawin yan is sa plus delta sa is equals to what? 6 of a plus the delta a squared. So, sa plus the delta sa is equals to 6 of a squared plus 2a of delta a plus the delta a squared. Gets guys? So, next transpose the sa guys. Transpose the sa. So, 6a squared, distribute muna natin to guys. Gets plus 12a of delta a plus 6a squared. 6 delta a squared minus c. Minus sa pala. So, the value of sa, this will be equals to what? 6a squared. So, cancel. Ang natira is what? Delta sa is equals to 12a of delta a plus the delta a squared. Gets guys? Then the next is divide both sides by 1 over delta a. So, delta sa over the delta a is equals to transpose the delta a guys. So, this will be equals to what? Tinranspose ko lang guys. Pag tinimes mo yan guys, ito yung kalalabasan niya. Gets over the delta a. So, this will be cancel. Ang natira is delta sa over delta a is equals to 12a plus the 12 of delta a. Gets guys? So, next natin gagawin yan guys is that find as the volume as also increases guys So, next natin gawin is the derivative of what? The derivative of sa over the derivative of a. The a small a for the sides. So, as the limit of delta a approaches to 0, ang natira is 12. Ang natira guys is 12 of a plus the delta a. So, the delta a is equals to 0. So, 12a ang final answer natin guys. Gets? Ano guys? Gets? So, the next problem is a circle has a radius of 5 centimeters. Find the rate of change of its area with respect to its radius. Area na may 5 cm of radius and respect to its radius. So, a is equals to pi r squared. The r is equals to 5. Gets guys? So, a plus the delta a is equals to pi of r plus the delta r squared. So, the delta a is equals to what? Transpose the a. So, magiging negative a sa dulo yan guys Pi of r squared plus 2 pi r plus the delta r squared guys minus, what is the value of a guys? Pi r squared. Gets guys? So, distribute the positive pi. I-distribute ko lang siya guys 2r of delta r to. So, 2r of delta r. Hinakbota. Last na yung may tamal ko. So, the next problem is that a circle has a 5 centimeters. Radius of 5 centimeters. Find the rate of change of its area with respect to its radius. So, the area is equals to pi r squared. The radius is equals to pi. So, the delta a is equals to pi of r plus the delta r squared. So, the delta a is equals to pi of r squared plus 2r of delta r plus the delta of r squared. So, next is that transpose the a. So, magiging minus a yan sa dulo. So, what is the value of a guys? Pi r squared. So, distribute the pi sign guys. Nagdi-distribute lang ako guys So, this will be cancel of the delta a is equals to what? 2 pi r delta r plus pi of delta r squared. Gets guys? So, divide both sides by what? 1 over delta r. So, next is that factor out by the delta r guys. So this will be cancel. Nag-factor out ako ng delta R para ma-cancel to, guys. Gets? Then, pag dinistribute ko yung delta R dyan, guys, makukuha natin to. Gets? So, next, the delta A over the delta R is equals to what? 2 pi R plus the pi of delta R. Gets, guys? So, yun yung natira, guys. So, i-derivative natin yan siya, guys. Buray na lang natin to. Derivative of A over the derivative of R, the limit of delta R approaches to 0. 2 pi R plus the pi of delta R is equals to 0, guys. So, 2 pi R ang natira, having the radius of 5. So, substitute the value of 5 in the radius. So, the answer is 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Then, pi, copy the pi sign, guys. Gets, guys? So, the answer is 10 pi. Gets? So next, find how fast the volume of a right circular cone increases having an altitude of 2 feet. The altitudes means the height. Then the volume of a right circular cone 1 over 3 of pi r squared h, guys. Gets? So this will be the volume of a right circular cone increases having an altitude of 2 feet and the radius increases. So the radius is increases, guys, ha? So 1 over 3 pi r plus the delta r squared and h, guys. Gets? So the squared nasa labas, sorry. So the delta v is equals to what? 1 over 3 of pi, then multiply the h and pi is equals to magkasama na nun sila, r squared plus 2r of delta r plus the delta r squared, then minus, so transpose the v, which is the 1 over 3 pi r squared h, guys. So ito yun. Gets? So next is distribute sila isa-isa, guys. Gets, guys? 1 over 3 pi r squared h plus 1 over 3 2 over 3 of what? Pi r h. So 2 over 3 of pi r h of delta r. So, plus 1 over 3 of pi r of delta r squared, guys. Gets, guys? So, may h siya. Ano, guys? Gets pa, guys? This will be the h, ah. O, next natin gagawin, guys, is what? Pwede tayo mag-minus dito, then copy. And next, guys, kung mapapansin nyo, pwede siya mag-cancel. Ang natira na lang yung nasa gitna. So, 2 over 3 of pi r h of delta r plus 1 over 3 pi r h of delta r squared. So, by doing factor out, guys, factoring, so, eto magiging 1 na lang, then eto mawawala. So, magiging delta r niyan yung nasa labas, guys. Pag dinistribute natin isa-isa yan, magiging kalalabasan niya is eto. Gets, guys? Factoring lang yun, guys. Nag-factor out lang ako ng greatest common factor nila. Gets, guys? O, next is that divide both sides by what? 1 over delta r. So, magiging delta r niya yung sa baba niyan over the delta r. So, cancel. Ang natira is what? 2 pi of rh plus 1 over 3 of pi rh of delta r, guys. Gets? So, the dv over the delta r as the limit of delta r approaches to 0. So, burahin na natin to, guys, ha. So, next nyan is what? 2 pi of rh plus 1 over 3 of pi rh of 0. So, our answer na magiging sagot natin yan, guys, is this will be cancel, guys. So, 2 pi rh. But nag-cancel to kasi 0 siya. Any number multiplied to 0 is equals to 0. So, 2 pi rh plus 0 is equals to 2 pi rh. Gets, guys? So, the dv over the delta r is equals to what? 2 pi rh, guys. Gets? So, that's all, guys. Thank you for watching and I love you all to infinity and beyond. Goodbye. Love you, masters.